Ed, just wanted to give you a quick testimonial. I signed up to the program on Monday. I've been building my online program for the last 8 months, whilst I've also been running my other businesses in the background. So we've been building up an online presence, and we carried out your cash grab number 1 on, I think it was Tuesday. We sent out a post in the group. On Wednesday we sent out messages direct to members of the group, and today at 1 o'clock I am on my first ever call, and I just want to say thank you so much. And I've had to jump to the closer psychology part. I was looking on there because I just watched it to prepare myself for the sales call at 1 o'clock, because I've never done a sales call. So I just want to say thank you. I've done a lot of personal training. I've come through Tony Robinson's programs, hence probably why I've ended up signing up to your program. Very sort of like similar, loving all the psychology behind it and all the ethical standpoint. So yeah, brilliant, thank you, keep doing what you're doing, and I'll see you at the end of this program on the next program. Thank you, take care, bye bye.